Okay, so we're gonna start off here. Number four, finally, inside each figure, add two additional elements. Okay, I started with the P tags. P element that contains one of the following categories: kitchen, woodwork, gifts, or antiques. For example, kitchen. Number two, an image element containing one of the following. So let's start off with the P tag. hmm So kitchen. Go ahead, copy paste here. Okay. So the second one is going to be woodwork. Third one, gifts. Then antiques. And we're going to go ahead and add an image element. So this is firstly kitchen. So starting off with the image, give it a reference. If you guys recall that the image tag is self-closing. Hmm. I wonder what's going on here now. I don't accept it. Oh, it's got to be within the P tags, right? Yeah. Right, so let's start off with the image tags. We're going to give it a source of this kitchen. And then the second one is woodwork. Third one is going to be gifts. Then the fourth one's going to be antiques. Right, let's run that quickly. As you can see there, the images just above, just below the p tags. Could have put the p tags just below the images. That would have been also correct. But this just looks way better. All right, let's move forward.